Hello magical fam and muggles, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you an unboxing and review of another Funko Pop from the Harry Potter line. And if that's what you like and you're interested in, keep on watching. If you're new to my channel, hello, I'm Kira, I'm from Malaysia and I post all things Wizarding World. And if that's what you like, be sure to subscribe and make sure you hit on the notification bell so you are always notified whenever I post a new video. And if you have not checked out my recent videos, do check them out here where I have everything in one playlist. Okay, so basically I'm going to unbox this one. This is the Pop Deluxe, Harry Potter Pop Deluxe, and it's the Fred Weasley with WWW, which is Weasley's Wizard Wheezes. This is the Funko Pop. So if you're getting this from the US, it would have the Target Con sticker right here, but we don't have that here, so it says Funko Special Edition. So this is from Sheldonet. So if you're looking for the same Funko Pop, you can check out Sheldonet. They're also available online and in stores, so do check them out if you are interested to get one as well. So now let's take a look at the outside. So this is the box. This is how the pop is supposed to look like. So if you guys are ready, let's open this up. Okay. Firstly, we have Fred. So this is Fred Weasley, everyone. Look at that hair. And look at that suit, yo. It looks great. And he's holding the puking pastils. This is how it looks like. I love this. This is amazing because I don't have any of the Weasley twins yet. So this is very exciting. I love this. Let's look at this. Firstly, there's a little weight to this, and it's like the Hogsmeade collection, but I don't have that series, so I'm not going to be displaying the whole set. But I had to get this one because I love how it looks like, and we love the twins. We love everything to do with the twins, at least for me. So I was very keen on getting this, and this is how it looks like. So if you remember, this is in the movies as well. I think you can read about it in the book. The books will describe all about this. So I will share a picture of how it actually looks like. It's also something like this when you go to the theme park, I think in the US, so you would be able to see the WWW. So this is how it looks like. And look at the details, so beautiful. I really love this, it's so beautiful. So the back, it's just like a wall. Okay, so you can definitely just display it like all the way to the end of your shelf, right? Okay, so let me take Fred. So this is Fred. What I'm gonna do is there's a hole here, and I'm going to put it right here because that's where he stands. So okay, so that's how he looks like with his shop. This is so cute. I love the pop of orange. It gives some colors to this shelf, although it's already messy over here, but yes, you get my point. So let me know, what do you think of this Funko Pop? I personally love this. I don't know why he's kind of shaky, maybe it's just me, but I love it. It's pretty, it's cute, he looks so cute. I really like this. This is really beautiful, and yes, I'm very excited for this. So let me know, what do you think of this pop, and if you are also interested and you are in Malaysia, you can check out Sheldonet. They do have this available, and I think this was, how much was it? 159 ringgit if I'm not wrong, but please go check out the website, check out the stores. They still have this in stock. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Till then, I'll see you in my next video. Take care, stay safe, have a magical day. Bye!